Start. Hello friends, welcome to the online class Learning of English. The 9th standard English textbook is very funny, enjoyable, as well as teaching you morals. It is full of stories and happenings and incidents. This book also has some beautiful poems. Actually, this textbook begins with a beautiful poem written by an unknown author. The name of the poem is Walk a Little Slower. So let us read this poem first. Walk a little slower. Walk a little slower, Daddy, said a child so small. I am following in your footsteps and I don't want to fall. Sometimes your steps are very fast. Sometimes they are hard to see. So walk a little slower, Daddy, or you are leading me. Someday, when I am all grown up, you are what I want to be. Then I will have a little child who will want to follow me. And I would want to lead just right, to know that I was true. So walk a little slower, Daddy, or I must follow you. See the title once again on the blackboard. Walk a little slower, Daddy. The new words: to fall, to fail, or to be unsuccessful. Lead, to take forward. Grown up, adult. To see here indicates understand. So see the gist of the poem. The child is requesting his father to walk a little slower because he wants to follow his father's footsteps and he wants a success all the time. He is sure that the examples, the actions, the morals, the principles and the thoughts and all the things his father has shown him, given him, they will certainly help you to walk successfully on the path of life. So he is requesting his father to take the actions slowly so that he will understand them in a better way, in a better manner. He further says, sometimes your steps are very fast, sometimes they are hard to see. Here to see means to understand, to come to know, to realize. So walk a little slower, Daddy, or you are leading me. Here the father is leading and the child is following him. The child further says, when I am all grown up, you are what I want to be. Then I will have a little child who will want to follow me. The child requests his father to walk little slower because he knows after some years this child will become a father of his own child. and he will take the place of his father, and he will want to guide his own child. And so, to get success at that time as an ideal father, he wants to achieve all the qualities of his father, because his father is the most ideal person for him now. And I would want to lead just right and know that I was true. When this child will be in the form of his father, guiding his own child after some years, he certainly will realize that he was definitely right while following his father's footsteps in his own childhood. Because his father is the most respectful person for him. His father is an ideal person in the society, in the neighborhood, in his family, in the relatives and friends. And so, to become a successful like his father is the main object of the child here. Object means he wants to become a successful person like his own father. And so he says, I would want to lead just right and know that I was true. So walk a little slower, Daddy, for I must follow you. The child always thinks that to become a successful father, there is no need to go elsewhere to find an ideal person. His father himself is an ideal person for him and the most successful person for him. And so, out of respect and love for his father, he again and again requests him to walk a little slower, to take the actions slowly, so that he will understand them in a better manner, better way. Here, the father is leading his child ideally, and so the child wants to follow him. The child is talking to its father. The father is leading and the child is following. Someday the child will become a father and the child does not want to fall, or he does not wish to fall while following its father. He is sure that the principles, the actions, the morals, the thoughts, and all the things that are required to become a successful person or father, all the qualities or the treasure of all the qualities is there in his family in form of his father. And so this poem has a rhythm, beautiful meaning, and when we think about this poem on the exam point of view, it will give you 5 out of 5 marks. It will be asked in 2 forms. In the question paper, question number 3, a question, it will be for comprehension, asking A1, A2 and A3 questions. 3 questions, 5 marks. And sometimes it will be asked for appreciation, 5 marks. And so, read this poem by heart at home and get out of marks. Thank you.